This week on Where's the Gold?
Left my snorkeling goggles at home. Are you kidding me? I'm going to use the iPhone as my eyes. And have a look at this. Another pocket of gold. Phew. I think I found a nugget. I can't tell. It's very deep water, but I can just see something shining down there. Wasn't going to come today, but I thought, nah, first day I'll get into it. Grabbed my snipe bag, grabbed everything, bolted down here, left my snorkeling goggles at home. Are you kidding me? But I had this idea once a while ago. I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to use the iPhone as my eyes. So I can still know what cracks to work. I can clear them out. And when I go to look at them, I'm just going to stick the iPhone down because you can see the screen of the iPhone from the top of the water. So I won't be able to do everything I wanted to, but let's test this theory out. Let's see if we can salvage a video. I've been in this creek a long time ago. I'm interested to get in it again. Alright, let's go. Let's see how we go. This is going to be a massive failure or a pretty cool video. Jury's out to see which one. I'm saying it's probably going to be a failure, but you never know. We'll try. We'll give it a go. I'm a guy who likes to give things a go. So imagine. There's already bedrock as soon as I walk down. Excellent. Oh, wait, let me chuck my goggles on and look at it. Oh, I can't. Whenever you're out bush and you see a bit of rubbish, do the right thing. Pick it up and take it home. Because it makes its way in the ocean eventually. So free for the sea. Well, I wondered if this was going to work sniping without goggles. And I must admit I'm not too much of a fan of it, but in saying that I've been doing it for, this is my first crack, good what, 30 seconds probably? No, a bit longer than that, a couple of minutes, and have a look at this. Isn't that unbelievable? I can't believe that. I was like, off it already. I was like, oh, this is a waste of time. There's my first bit. Oh, well, let's give it a crack. See if it works. I'll just keep working like that. Look, there's a bit of bedrock I'll flip off here. Let's have a look at this. I nearly don't believe that. Oh well, we're sniping without goggles. First time in my life. Let's see how we go. See that? There's a bit of gold right next to my thumb there. That's a bit of gold there. Bit of bedrock I pulled off. This doesn't look like a bad creek. I wish I had my goggles. Don't get me wrong, I'll be fine a lot more with goggles, but I just found another piece. Probably my 10th piece, no goggles. See, sniping kind of teaches you how to find gold, doesn't it? Even if it's not, you know, not the best way without goggles. But here, look, here's another bit. So this ground has quartz veins all over it, so I'll definitely have to come back here with goggles. Shit happens, make the most of it. Have a look at this. Oh, here's some alright bad looking bedrock. Have a look around in this. It's not easy without goggles, I'll tell you though. Everything's freaking harder. So the only real issue I'm finding is there's this yellow rock and it looks a lot like gold. So I've either got a few bits of yellow rock in here or a few bits of gold. I think it's gold. I'm not going to lie to you, but this is kind of successful. I've got another little pocket over here. I'm never going to do it again. Don't get me wrong. I'm going to put my goggles in the thing every time because I'd be smashing it if I had goggles now. But another pocket of gold. Whew. Get my bottle, head over there. I'll show you. Man, if I had goggles, I'd be doing so good now. I've got another pocket I can see up here. Oh dear. Back here with goggles for sure. I think I found a nugget. I can't tell. It's very deep water, but I can just see something shining down there. I don't know. I'm just walked away for a sec, let the water clear up. If I've got a nugget, I'm just going to go home stoked and come back here, eh? As long as I pay for fuel today, I'm happy, because it's not a complete disaster. Let's hope this is a nugget. couldn't see anything down there, but I watched the camera and there's a little nugget. So, what does that tell you? Don't forget your goggles. Look at that. Unbelievable. No goggles, and I found that. That is pretty, it's not too thick. Still though. Wow. So my thoughts on today were success, failure. Be back here for sure with goggles. Yeah. A sniper without goggles. How useless am I? Anyway, it doesn't matter. You make the best of what you got. Nothing goes right all the time. Sometimes you do stupid things. I just seem to do them more than other people. But I can find gold, so maybe it evens out. See ya. Catch you next step.
Not breaking records by any stretch of the imagination, but maybe I'm breaking records for sniping without goggles. I'll see someone do better, eh? Anyway, that's my best bit. That's about 0.4, I think, just under. Here we go, let's have a look. 0.392, not too bad. All the few other little bits, a lot of that was yellow rock, by the way. Tear it up here. It weighs 0.699, 0.7 of a gram. Not bad considering. Thanks for watching.